Hey everyone, my name is Samantha Bray, and I am currently in my second semester here at Widener, which I'm sure everybody else is as well. Um, this course was actually one of those courses that I was not looking forward to taking, um, solely because research and more methods type of material was never really something that I was totally strong with. I did struggle a lot in like my methods class for my undergrad. Um, but at the same time, going over the syllabus and seeing what is entitled, like included in this class, I did realize that this does seem more like a class that is here to help you excel and not just make everything in your life extremely difficult. So that is a definite positive of this class, and I am really excited that I am taking this class because it definitely will be a refresher for the things that I have learned in my undergrad that I don't remember too much. Um, Something that really excites me about this class is actually the group project, which I feel like I am probably the only person in the world that enjoys group projects, but not because I am able to slack off and do no work, but solely because if you have the right people in the right group, you can really do something that's amazing and awesome and, something that you really enjoy working on. So I hope that that's the case in this class and that my group feels the same way that I do. But whether or not I am really excited to learn more about a topic that I don't know too much information about. Um, so, like I said, I don't really know much about evidence-based practice solely because the classes that I took in my undergrad, they didn't really teach lessons on this. It was more just a touch base type of thing, and try it out once, and then you're really good to go. So it wasn't really a priority, I guess, in my classes. So now having an entire class on it, I definitely feel like I'm a little behind, but I am excited to get more knowledge on this topic. So I hope everybody has an awesome semester, and I will talk to everybody soon. Bye.